Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to find crypto jobs using Twitter and Telegram, the two most vibrant platforms for networking and opportunities in the Web3 space. By the end of this video, you'll know the key strategies to stand out, connect with hiring teams, and land your next job in crypto, whether you're a developer, marketer, or community manager. Let's jump right in with Twitter. Now officially called X, Twitter is pretty much the pulse of the crypto ecosystem. Everyone from project founders to job hunters and recruiters gather here, so your first focus should be optimizing your profile so you're instantly recognizable as a serious candidate. Start with your profile picture. Choose something recent, polished, and approachable. Think friendly but confident. Skip anything too stiff or too casual. Your aim is to show you're professional, but also someone folks might enjoy collaborating with. For your headline, that little section beneath your name, write a title that highlights both your specialty and your target role, like Solidity Developer, Smart Contract Expert, or Web3 Content Writer and Community Manager. Clarity here helps recruiters quickly see where you fit. Next, tackle the bio. This is prime real estate. Be specific about your skills and don't be shy about quantifying achievements. Something like helped launch 3 NFT projects, 10K plus followers built organically gets attention. Include keywords relevant to your niche and sprinkle in a few interests or personal touches to sound authentic. And don't forget to link to your portfolio, a personal site, or even your profile on a crypto job board. Think of this as your virtual handshake. Make it count. Once your profile is ready, start networking and engaging. Follow major crypto projects, founders, and dedicated job accounts like at Crypto Jobs List and at Web3 Career. Being part of their audience keeps you in the loop on new opportunities and discussions. But just following isn't enough. Jump into conversations. Reply to people, share thoughtful takes on big news or trending topics, retweet project announcements, and create value-driven posts. This not only builds your personal brand, but shows you're an active participant, not just a lurker. If you have specific interests, say DeFi or NFTs, use hashtags like Web3 jobs, blockchain jobs, or NFT. These are like signposts for recruiters searching for talent. It's a simple step, but it can make your posts much more discoverable. A pro tip: pin a tweet to your profile that acts as a mini portfolio or highlights your availability and target roles. This is what most visitors will see first. Think of it as your open for work sign and make sure it's clear, catchy, and includes a call to action for recruiters to reach out. If you see job posters open to direct outreach via DMs, send a brief, professional message. Introduce yourself, mention the specific job or skills you offer, and include a link to your work. No need to worry if it feels a bit forward. Many recruiters expect and welcome well-targeted DMs. For actual job hunting, use Twitter's search. Try terms like hiring Solidity Developer or looking for crypto marketer to surface real-time openings. If the Jobs tab feature is available to you on XCOM, take advantage of its filters: remote, project-based, full-time, whatever suits you. Now switching gears to Telegram. Telegram is the crypto world's favorite group chat for job alerts and community conversations, especially on desktop. First, join trusted job channels like the official Crypto Jobs List channel. There you'll find real-time notifications for hot openings. Also look for project-specific groups and broader job boards like LaborX. These are goldmines for hidden gigs that don't get posted elsewhere. Go into settings and make sure you have notifications turned on for new posts. The crypto job market moves at lightning pace, so don't miss out just because your notifications were muted. If allowed, participate in discussions. Engaging with other members helps you become a familiar, trusted face in the community, and sometimes jobs are shared privately before being posted. Most importantly, always be scam aware. Never send money to anyone claiming to offer you a job, and be skeptical if you're asked to pay for software, training, or deposits. Legitimate companies will use Telegram mainly for early-stage communication, but will always shift to email or phone calls for final hiring procedures. And that's it. If you follow these steps, you'll be well positioned to find and land crypto jobs using Twitter and Telegram. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share your questions or experiences in the comments, and subscribe for more practical guides just like this. Thanks for watching and good luck out there.